Hello everyone, welcome you all. Students, today in this video we'll do questions which are based on exercise 6.3. So our first question for today is: a vertical pole of length 6 meter cast a shadow 4 meter long on the ground, and at the same time a tower cast a shadow 28 meter long. So here we have to find the height of the tower. So according to our question, students, first let us draw a vertical pole of length 6 meter, that is D is equals to 6 meter, which cast a shadow 4 meter long. Here student, in our figure C is shadow which the vertical pole cast on the ground. And now let the height of the tower be H meter, which cast a shadow of 28 meter long. So here, as you can see in this figure, that here we have two triangles, that is triangle ABC and triangle DEC. So from here student, in both these two triangles, angle ABC is equals to angle DEC. They both are equal, and the reason is since here we have two vertical poles. So if they are vertical, then they are making an angle of 90 degree each. And now in both these triangles, students, angle C is common. So from here we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEC, and the reason is by angle similarity criteria. So if they are similar student, therefore by CPST we can say that the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal, that is AB upon DE is equals to BC upon EC. So according to our figure, AB is H and DE is 6. Therefore H upon 6 is equals to BC, which is equals to 28 meter, and EC, which is equals to 4 meter. Therefore 28 upon 4. So from here H is equals to 28 into 6 upon 4. So here 28 is divided by 4, which is 7. So 7 into 6 is 42 meter. Therefore height of the tower is 42 meter. And now our second question for today is: sides AB and AC and median AD of triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ and PR and median PM of another triangle PQR. So here we have to show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So student, in this question figure is not given. So first of all, according to our question, we will draw a triangle ABC in which AD is a median. And similarly, we draw another triangle, that is triangle PQR, in which PM is the median. So here, according to our question, since it is given that the ratio of these two triangles, that is AB upon PQ is equals to AC upon PR is equals to AD upon PM. They are equal. And now in this question, as we have to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, so to show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, here we will do construction, where we will extend or reduce side AD and PM to E and L, such that student, AD is equals to DE and PM is equals to ML. And now we will join BE and CE. Similarly, we will join QL and RL. So in triangle ABC, we can say that if AD is a median, then BD is equals to DC. And now in triangle PQR, if PM is the median, then from here we can say that QM is equals to MR. And by construction, here AD is equals to DE and PM is equals to ML. They are also equal. So student, from here, as you can see that here in both these two figures, diagonal bisect each others at point D and M. So student, in ABEC, you can see that diagonal AE and BC, they bisect each other at D. So we know that if in a quadrilateral diagonal bisect each other, then it is a parallelogram. Therefore from here we can say that ABEC is a parallelogram. And similarly student, for PQ LR also, it is also a parallelogram, as here also their diagonal bisect each other at point M. So now since we have proved that here ABEC is a parallelogram and also PQLR is a parallelogram, so from here, if ABEC is a parallelogram, therefore opposite sides are parallel. And if they are parallel, then they are also equal. So from here, we can say that AC is equals to BE and AB is equals to EC. And similarly, student, in PQLR, where in this parallelogram, side PQ is equals to LR and side PR is equals to QL. So now, according to our given condition, since it is given that AB upon PQ is equals to AC upon PR is equals to AD upon PM. So from here, we get AB upon PQ, which is equals to AC, and in place of AC, we can write BE, and in place of PR, we can write QL. So here we get BE upon QL, and this is equals to, so here, when we take twice on numerator as well as in denominator, that is 2AD upon 2PM. So since, student, AD and PM are medials, therefore, from here we get AB upon PQ is equals to BE upon QL, and this is equals to twice of AD, which is equals to AE, and twice of PM, which is equals to PL. So from here, you can clearly see that triangle ABE is similar to triangle PQL, and the reason is by side similarity criteria. So student, from here by CPST, we can say that angle BAE is equals to angle QPL, which is our first equation. And now similarly, we can prove that angle CAE is also equals to angle RPL by proving that triangle AEC is also similar to triangle PLR, which is our second equation. And now when we add both the equation, that is 1 and 2 on both sides, we get angle BAE plus angle CAE is equals to angle QPL plus angle RPL. So according to our figure, angle BAE plus angle CAE is equals to angle BAC, and angle QPL plus angle RPL is equals to angle QPR. So here, this is our third equation. And now student, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, since it is given that AB upon PQ is equals to AC upon PR, and also angle BAC is equals to angle QPR, which is we have proved above. So from here, we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, and the reason is by side angle side similarity criteria. So this is the end of exercise 6.3. In the next video, we'll study the proof of area of similar triangles. And now practice this question mentioned on your screen and submit me the solution. So this is the end of this video. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.